Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this installation of the 613 bob wig. I did curl it, everything is pre-plucked and everything. So I'm just going to be showing you my step-by-step method. I'm not going to use a wig cap. I do not recommend anybody to not use a wig cap. But for me, when I do my 613 blonde, I don't know. It's just like I like it without a wig cap underneath because I kind of like the roots to look dark. It has like this effect that I really like. So that's what I'm going to do. And if you are new here, please make sure you go subscribe, like, and share. And let's go ahead and get to it. Let's learn a couple of things. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is take a white. I don't know why I did my makeup before I did this. I just want to look a little polished. And I'm just going to clean around the hairline with some alcohol. I use 90% alcohol. Sometimes I feel like if you have sensitive skin like me, the alcohol may like irritate your skin, but you should be okay. Then I'm going to take some Got2b glue here and gel. And I'm going to put a little bit on my edges just to slick my edges back so no hairs will be in the way. And you'll see me looking over here in the mirror to make sure I do it right. All right, and then we're just gonna take the comb and we're gonna slick it back. Make sure it's nice and slick. I did pre-mold my hair last night. I have a pixie cut that's currently growing out. I love that my hair is short because I don't gotta braid it. I don't gotta do none of that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slick this back here. Okay, that's nice and slick. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take my dryer, Silver Conure. You already know Silverbird will get you hot and dry really quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry. And now we're just gonna go ahead and install the wig. Now, normally I would tint the lace, but I'm yellow, so I'm not even gonna tint this lace because I just feel like it's light enough. I might go in with some powder foundation to kind of blend it, and I'm still on the verge of wondering if I want to do baby hair or not, but I don't know. We shall see. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna go in with my Boho Extreme Cream. I use the blue one. I actually like Lonzo's Lemon Burst or whatever it is, the purple one, but they were sold out. So I'm just gonna use this. Got my little mirror here to make sure I don't get it too much on my hair. Hope I don't. And I'm just gonna put this around the hairline here. And I'm probably only gonna do like, let's say 2 layers. You're gonna see though. I'm thinking 2 layers will be enough. But we'll see. I don't know why I keep playing. I did a quick weave. But y'all actually go check that quick weave tutorial. I did a side part quick weave tutorial. I think you guys will really like. Anyway, just smoothing this glue over here. gonna do the same thing to the other side. I love having a widow's peak, but sometimes I wish I didn't have one. Apparently, it's supposedly, my mom told me it's like unique. But sometimes it just be in the way. You know what I mean? Get out the way. Okay. And I'm going to do one more layer. You do want your glue to dry clear. Okay, I ain't even gonna lie. So for me, I'll let it get kinda clear. I won't let it get all the way clear because I just feel like, I don't know, my lace don't stick how I want it to when it's all the way clear. Like right here, well, I guess it's kind of all the way clear. I can still see a little sheen of white. You can see. That's when I'll stick my lace down. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do another. Go ahead and do another layer. Do the same thing to the other side again.
I feel you watching me pull up across the room. I think you like the view. You gonna make a move. I don't make this easy for you. It's not intentional. I'm not responsible. I never played a game, but if it's in my face, I don't make it easy for you. Everyone is an option. I don't think that's a problem. No, my eyes make me sweet.
All right.
But most people don't fuck with me.
Gonna fan that and let that dry. Okay, now here is the fun part where we put the wig on. Hold on. Okay. It's gonna be kind of annoying trying to keep my hair from getting in the way. Ladies, wear a cap. I'm being lazy. If you don't know the cap method, there's plenty of videos of it. Matter of fact, I might have one actually, because I've definitely installed my wigs plenty of times. Other wigs plenty of times. Okay, so I do the first section first, right here. I don't know how this got in the way. Okay, so that middle part is down, and then we're gonna do this part right here. So I'm going in sections. I always make sure that I cut my lace in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. Oh, you cut it 4 times. Okay. And then I'm go ahead and lay that lace right there. And then we're gonna do the other side. Period. Sometimes I be feeling like it's lifting. Once it feels like it's lifting, I gotta go in with the dry. Go in with the dryer real quick. Make sure it don't lift. Make sure you do cold air. Make sure you use cold air. Okay, and I'm just simply sticking this other side down. taking my comb, combing it back, making sure that lace gets it all the way in the glue. And then we're gonna go in with that cool air. I love when the lace ends. I love when the lace snatch your eyes up. It's giving chinky. Okay, now I'm gonna put my band on. Be right back. Okay, so here's my band. Do a little band and whatnot. Hold up. Let's stick her back down. Yes, this can happen.
Baby, I like to learn. How do you wanna feel? Tell me your fantasies as you discover me. Can I make this easy for you? I wanna make it easy for you. And it's not intentional. I'm not responsible. I never play the games. But if you're in my way, I don't make this easy for you. I won't be that easy for you.
Okay, now we're gonna do the band. Because my hair got stuck. Wait, first I want to actually cut this part around my ear. We're gonna cut the ears off first. Please be careful, ladies, when y'all doing this. Don't be like me, because I done been doing it so long. I could just cut away off instinct. Oh, why this side I don't want to stay down? Starting to piss me off. It'll stay down once I cut it. After I cut it, stay down. Alright guys, it's down. Cool. Put the band on here.
I feel you watching me pull up across the room. I think you like the view. You gonna make a move. I don't make this easy for you.
And I like to leave this on for at least like,
It's not intentional.
I'm gonna say about 5 minutes. Normally people will be sewing the back down and doing whatever they're gonna do with the hair. Me, I'm just gonna sit here for 5 minutes. So I'll be back. Alright, let's go ahead and cut the
Everyone
lace
is
out.
an option. I don't think that's a problem. No, my eyes make me sweet, but most people don't fuck with me. I don't make this easy for you. I don't make this easy for you. And now is the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my mind, be that easy for you. I could be that easy for you. discover me, can I make this easy for you? I wanna make it easy for you. And it's not intentional, I'm not responsible. I never play the games, but if you're in my way, I don't make this easy for you. I won't be that easy for you. Everyone is an option, I don't think that's a problem. No, my eyes make me sweet,
makeup while you doing
but most people don't fuck with me. I don't make this easy for you. I don't make this easy for you.
towards
And now's the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my life, be that easy for you. I could be that easy for you.
next dots.
And now's the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my life, be that easy, be that easy.
Okay, so I'm going with like a little
Easy for
face
you.
and what is it? Powder foundation. And just go around my edges. I think I am gonna do a little bit here, considering that this place is transparent and not HD. I really didn't want to do baby hair though. Maybe I can just cut the lace some more. Let me see. I feel like if I cut it some more, glue is already where it's placed at. I might leave it and just do
I
it.
feel you watching me pull up across the room. I think you like the view. You gonna make a move. I don't make this easy for you.
Fix our part.
It's not
Y'all see
intentional,
what I'm talking
I'm
about?
not responsible. I never play the game, but if it's in my face, I don't make it easy for you.
Scalp. I like that. I like the dark scalp.
Everyone is an option, I don't think that's a problem. No, my eyes make me sweet, but most people don't fuck with me. I don't make this easy for you. I don't make this easy for you. And now's the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my mind.
Normally I do like a rock
Easy
finish,
for you. I could be that easy for you.
but let's do it. Ooh, this thing hot.
Baby, I
Y'all,
like
this
to
thing is hot.
learn. How do you wanna feel? Tell me your fantasies as you discover me. Can I make this easy for you? I wanna make it easy for you. And it's not intentional, I'm not responsible. I never play the games, but if you're in my way, I don't make this easy for you. I won't be that easy for you.
What is giving, y'all? Is it giving? I think it's giving. Gonna bring this forward like this. And what I do when I do that is I clean my no crease.
I feel you watching me pull up across the room. I think you like the view. You gonna make a move. I don't make this easy for you. It's not intentional. I'm not responsible. I never play the game. But if it's in my face, I don't make it easy for you. Everyone is an option. I don't think that's a problem. No, my eyes make me sweet, but most people don't fuck with me. I don't make this easy for you. I don't make this easy for you. And now's the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my mind. Be that easy for you. I could be that easy for you. Baby, I like to learn. How do you wanna feel? Tell me your fantasies as you discover me. Can I make this easy for you? I wanna make it easy for you. And it's not intentional. I'm not responsible. I never play the games. But if you're in my way, I don't make this easy for you. I won't be that easy for you. Everyone is an option. I don't think that's a problem. No, my eyes make me sweet, but most people don't fuck with me. I don't make this easy for you. I don't make this easy for you. And now's the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my mind. Be that easy for you. I could be that easy for you. And now's the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my mind. Be that easy, be that easy, be that easy for you.
Now we're gonna bring these curls a little forward. So it's just like a cute little Susie vibe. Like a little curly, call it a curly Susie. By this side is more. I wonder if I should curl this part outward.
I feel you watching me pull up across the room. I think you like the view. You gonna make a move. I don't make this easy for you. watching me pull up across the room. I think you like the view. You gonna make a move. I don't make this easy for you.